Okay, when it comes to the homepage or this particular URL, so this is this subdomain as you mentioned, the exact keyword is not present. You've got versions of this keyword. However, the keyword that you mentioned you wanted to target is SSAS pension, which is not really um, which is not really mentioned in a whole as the keyword itself. So that could be the starting point of optimizing the website. Obviously, using the exact keyword when optimizing the website content. This is really the best way. However, you do seem to do a very good job. When it comes to images, obviously I recommend optimizing each images with alt tag, so using the keywords within images as well. It also helps improve SEO. Use the exact keywords in page title, meta title as well, meta description, H tags. Don't worry about meta keywords. Okay. Your page authority is 11, domain authority is 18, which for a 5-year-old website, I would love to see it a little bit higher in the range of 40, 50. So working on domain authority can also help you improve your organic ranks, get more backlinks, get more trust in this niche. That also can help you improve the score. Okay, when it comes to schema, you haven't got the rich snippet present on the page, so I would definitely add it. So this was a recent addition. This is not required as such at the moment, but can definitely enrich your presence in the search results because your listing stands out with this kind of markup. So I do recommend adding it. So I checked this page if it's optimized for your target keywords. So it's 71 out of 100. I would love to see having it score between 85 and 98. So this is a good score if this is your target keyword. And there are a few elements that you can work on. So these are the tips that will help you improve your rank for these keywords. So as you can see, this particular keyword is not used within the page, within the document, within the page title, alt tags, meta description, URL. So adding this is like a basic way to start optimizing the content for this particular keyword. Make sure to use it when writing content, when optimizing your SEO. And obviously fix any issue. But if you want to target this particular keyword, I would start from the on-page SEO and optimize your website content using this keyword. Okay, you seem to have 23 linking domains pointing to your website, which is fantastic. I'll see which domains link. So this is for this this subdomain that you mentioned. So you're linking from quite high quality, high domain authority websites, but I'll see which actually send you the link due. So this is okay. So this is quite good. So you've got Meetup, Player FM. So obviously the podcasts from your podcast. So Awards website is also good. So obviously where your brand was mentioned. So this is good. However, yeah, it's only 16 domains linking to the website. Yeah, improving the domain authority and working on your on-page SEO is something that will help you improve ranking for this keyword quite dramatically. So I do recommend working on these to start with, and then keep adding new content, keep adding blog posts that will help you add fresh content, and will help you get more traffic, and will help you establish your presence, establish your authority when targeting this keyword. So I hope you found these tips useful, and as I mentioned, I hope to stay in touch and work with you, and when ready I will be able to work on your website and help you optimize the website content for this target keyword, because this is a great keyword with low difficulty, with high traffic. So you just have to use the exact keyword to start ranking for it. So please let me know if you'd like to get started ranking for this keyword, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye bye.